In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move columns in Excel, step by step, using a simple Google search as your starting point. Let's begin right from your web browser. Open any browser you like, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. At the very top of the window, click into the address bar or search bar. This is where you normally type website addresses or search terms. Make sure your cursor is blinking in that box so you know it's active. Now, type the phrase, "How to move columns in Excel," full tutorial, into the search bar. Take a moment to double-check your spelling so Google can give you the most accurate results. Once you've typed it in, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will send your search to Google and load a new page with results. After a couple of seconds, you should see the Google results page appear. At the top, you'll probably notice a few tutorial links, maybe some videos, and possibly a featured snippet with quick instructions. Scroll slowly through these results and look for a guide or video that clearly mentions moving columns in Excel. Preferably one that says it's a full or complete tutorial. A helpful tip here is to glance at the small description under each result. Look for wording like step-by-step, beginner-friendly, or detailed guide. That usually means the tutorial will walk you through everything clearly and won't skip important details. If you see a video result from a source you recognize or trust, that can also be a great place to start. Once you find a result that looks promising, click on it to open the full tutorial. Give the page a moment to load. If it's a written guide, you can scroll down and follow the instructions at your own pace. If it's a video, you might want to pause and rewind as needed so you can practice each step in your own Excel file. Keep in mind that different versions of Excel may look slightly different. So don't worry if the buttons or icons aren't exactly the same as what you see in the tutorial. Focus on the main idea: selecting the column, dragging or cutting it, and placing it in a new location. By starting with this specific Google search, you'll always be able to quickly find a full, detailed tutorial on how to move columns in Excel whenever you need a refresher.